Got a lot of stuff to ship out today from eBay, StockX, and Goat. And this one is we sold on eBay. Nike Zoom Pegasus 30 Turbo 2. Got this one on Nike Factory Store, $79.97 minus the 30% off. And then we sold it on eBay for $129. Next one, sold this Air Jordan 1 Mid SE right here. So this one is the black and white all-star weekend. Retail is $125. Boom. Wanna cap them for personal? Leave a comment. So $125, I sold them for $169. About couple months holding, so not bad for the profit as well. So another one we sold is Nike Shock Neymar right here, and then Zoom Fly 3. Huge margin, ROI margin on the Nike Shock Neymar. This one is one of a kind shoe. As you can see, it's like a double stack of Shocks. I wanted to have this one though, but it's not my size. But anyway, sold them for $165. I got them from Nike.com way back. So this one got them for $89.99. This one is much more huge margin. Nike Zoom Fly 3, $59.97, additional 30%. And then we sold this one for $180. Right, that is really huge margin. So this one is quick flip Nike Air Max 2017, retail $190. You got them from Nike Factory Store $129 or $130 minus the discount. So I sold them for $172 minus $130. So that's a quick flip for a more less than 36 hours. Another massive return is this Air Max Tailwind black white $160. Boom. I think I got this one on Nike Factory Store about 3-4 months, and I got them for about $39.97, and then we sold them for $157. So this one is kinda long hold, more than 6 months. We got Lunar Force 1 Flyknit work boots. As you can see, the retail right there is $200. And there we go. So the price, there you go. The price on this one is $59.97, so $60. So I was kinda, I'm gonna hold that long, and now it pays off $176. So that is more than double the money for 6 months. So why not, right? Another one, Nemesis 17 360 Agility. This one is very rare and very expensive cleats. There we go. So I've been holding on this one for a while because the ROI and also my investment is low. Like I got this one about $40, and now I sold them for $130. Alright, so here we go. This is what we sold. A lot of huge returns. Some of them are quick flip, some of them are mids, and but mostly I had a huge return, especially on the tailwinds, the boots, the running shoes, a quick flip for 36 hours. This one is about an average, another one huge profit, another huge profit, and an average. So lots of returns, mostly on the one that I hold, a brick hold. So it's not always like a Jordan, like retros that you could sell massive returns. So as you can see, most of this one had a huge return, even though this not are the Jordan retros. So it's not always like that. So that's what I've been doing. That's what I started in reselling. It's not the retros, it's the brick flip. So holding them for a couple months. Same goes with like you do with the retros. and the returns are massive ROI. So that's how we do it.
This one is side job.